Salvador, and I'm going to present my topic entitled The Effects of Using Facebook by the work of Angeline Tobias Tumasa. So nowadays, billions of people have used Facebook. That's Facebook has become part of our daily life. According to Mark Zuckerberg's quote, think about what people are doing on Facebook today. They're keeping up with their friends and family, but they're also building an image and identity for themselves, which in a sense is their brand. They're connecting with the audience what they want to connect to. It's almost a disadvantage if you're not in a know. So, people nowadays are not only connecting with families and friends on Facebook, but also building an image and identity for themselves. Because Facebook has become a place where we show who we are and what we want others to see. But is that always a good thing? Okay, let's find out. Facebook has positive effects. First is communication made easy. Facebook allows us to stay connected with our families, friends, classmates, and even people, and even our relatives working abroad. Through Messenger, posts, and video calls, distance becomes less of a barrier. Next is access to information, like news, announcements, school updates, and important community information are easily shared. So many people rely on Facebook for quick updates. Next is educational value. So there are groups and pages that share lesson, tutorial, and inspirational content. So as students and professionals can learn many things for free. And the last one is business and opportunities. So Facebook helps business to grow. Marketplace, live selling, and ads make it easier for the seller to reach customer easier. So also nowadays, many people earn money because of Facebook. Next, now it's really amazing how a single platform can bring many people together and make the world feel smaller. But is that always a good thing? Okay. However, with great power comes with a great responsibility. Facebook also has its dark side. First is time consumption or time addiction. So too much scrolling can lead to distractions. Many users spend hours on Facebook, which can affect productivity, study habits, and even sleep. Next is mental health effects. So constant comparison to others, exposure to criticism, and negative posts can cause insecurity and anxiety. Next is fake news and misinformation. It is because anyone can post anything on Facebook. And if the users are not careful, fake news spread quickly. The last one is privacy and safety risk. So, privacy and safety risk. Too much sharing personal information can lead to scams, hacking, and identity theft. So, many users are not aware of this. So according to Kimberly S. Young's research study entitled Internet Addiction, social media can cause problems such as cyber affairs, student internet addiction, employee internet addiction. So, did you ever told yourself that last scroll na ni kay magtuon ako, last scroll na ni kay matulog ko, last scroll na ni kay napakagbuhaton, but ended up spending hours more on Facebook? So now we ask, is Facebook a boon or a bane? Is it a blessing or a curse? So, well, the truth is, it depends on us, the users. Facebook can be a helpful tool if used properly, but a dangerous trap if abused. It can connect us, but it can also isolate us if we forget the world outside our screen. So, my message to you now is simple. Let's use Facebook, let's control our usage, not let the Facebook control us, because at the end of the day, it's us, or it's not the Facebook shapes who we we are. It's how we choose to use it. So, as the authors said that the real challenge is not the nature of the internet, but the discipline of itself. So, thank you, and always remember, stay connected, but stay disciplined.